Hello and welcome to Low Budget Gaming, and welcome to this quick unboxing for the Nacon wired compact controller. So I've been looking to replace my Xbox 360 wired controller for a bit, and this one looked the right price and the right quality, and I decided to get it because I saw it on sale on Amazon. It is still on sale right now during the Great Indian Festival sale, and I'll make a video later for that, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. So yeah, it comes with some stickers and things like that, but here is the controller itself. Initially, as far as quality is concerned, you can notice the quality. It's pretty good. The buttons, the analog stick, the d-pad, and the cable is about 3 meters long. The triggers and the bumpers are what really impressed me. They look really good quality. They are more of the Xbox One style rather than the PlayStation style, and yeah, they look really good and feel good. The analog sticks, the top, they seem a bit smaller than what I'm used to, but it's not that big a deal. So I'll compare this to my existing controller, the Xbox 360 wired one. And as you can see here, the buttons are a bit bigger on this one, the new one, but the analog sticks, as you can see, the tops are a bit smaller. But overall, it's a bit smaller, but I feel it's about the same width as the 360 controller. And I've also got a PS3 controller. I thought I'll compare this as well. The PS3 controller always felt small in my hand, but this one it doesn't. I think it's probably because the way you hold it, it's about the same width, but it's a bit longer from the, I don't know what to call it, like the lower part. And yeah, it makes it a bit more comfortable. You also have the port for your headset, and yeah, it's just got a nice weight and feel to it. And yeah, I like it. It's also got these small buttons on the top near the touchpad. One's got share and the other one has got options. I don't know if there's a chance of accidentally hitting them while using the other buttons, but I guess we'll find out. But yeah, overall, really happy. Looks really good. It's not too expensive. Initially, I was a bit skeptical because of some of the reviews on Amazon. We always have some negative reviews, but yeah, build quality is really good. I'll of course plug it in and see how it goes. But yeah, I'm happy with this one. I'll put the link below if you want to check it out. I think it's just the right price as well. And yeah, I'll also make a video on the Great Indian Festival later today, hopefully, and cover some of the other good deals right now. But I just wanted to put this up as well. So anyway, thank you for watching. Check it out if you're interested, and see you next time.